Sips Tea. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So as you can see by the title, I will be showing you how I make my version of Dominican Cocoa Tea. Now it is cold where I live, very cold. So I thought, you know what, I have a few cocoa sticks, let me just make a cocoa tea. Now I personally love my cocoa tea thick, or thick as we say in DA. Alright, so if you like to see how I make my version of cocoa tea, keep watching. So for this recipe you will need some cocoa sticks. Well, it goes according to how much cocoa tea you want to make. So I'm not making a lot because my family don't really like it, but I do. So I'm just making it for myself. So I'm using these cocoa sticks, some coconut milk. Some people use flour, but I rather custard powder because I like the custard taste. I have some brown sugar here. I have some almond extract, some cinnamon powder, and some allspice seasoning. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so here I've grated my cocoa sticks, and I grate it on this side of my grater. As you can see, the ridges. So I'm going to add 2 cups of water to my pot. To these 2 cups of water, I'm going to add the spice. So I have this piece of spice. I'm going to add that in there. Now some persons also add dried orange peel or lime peel. I don't have either right now, so I'm not going to be adding that. I'm also going to be adding my bay leaves. And I'm also going to be adding a piece of ginger. I love ginger, not a lot because ginger can be very overpowering. So I'm going to add a small piece of ginger. So just a small piece of ginger. Let's add